30 years in IT, but my passion is motorcycles. That passion has sent me on a journey to try and experience every motorcycle possible, to not only learn about the bikes, but also myself. Share the journey and let's enjoy the ride together.
Ladies and gentlemen, old guy back again. Another CFMoto. Back here at Randy's Cycles. I love this dealership. Not because they let me take a bunch of bikes, because they let other riders ride these bikes too, and they want the bikes to sell themselves. It's very similar to Triumph and Waukesha. That's one of the reasons why I partnered with them. They really do care about riders. They want riders to experience the bikes. This is the CFMoto 2023 700CL-X. This is the sport version. Got the sportier tires. You got Brembo brakes, fully adjustable front and rear suspension. 693cc parallel twin. Man. And it's really good looking too. It really is. It's a good looking bike. I have ridden the Heritage version that's got the more off-road tires. Just look and see if we can see any major differences. The sport version has dual front disc brakes. This version does not. The sport version has Brembo brakes. This version does not. This version, $6,795. This version, $7,199. And I mean, yeah, you're getting upgraded componentry, you know, so I can see the price difference. Throwing a leg, 5'9", 220 pounds. I mean, yeah, this bike is 451 pounds, but it still feels pretty light. Turn the key on, and you have the odometer here, 18 miles. You got your tack. Yeah. Got adjustable brake and clutch levers. That's a Brembo master cylinder. Nice. This bike ain't playing around. This does not have a quick shifter. I'm actually shocked. With all the other things it's got. Kind of expected it to have a quick shifter. Got cruise control. It's also a nice thing to have. We are in sport mode. Let's shift into 6th gear. Set the cruise. Give me a chance to set my mirror. Sit back. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. God, I love cruise. You just go with body position. You don't need to grab the bars at all. I mean, if I wanted to go any faster, yeah, okay, I'd reach over, I'd grab it, but right now, nah, I'm good. This bike rides really smooth. I mean, this road is really bad. I'm going to tell you that right now. This particular road right here, it's bumpy as hell. I mean, I can feel it. The bike is it's stiff. The suspension is stiff. I have no idea what the current settings are on this bike. So I noted on the last CFMoto that I rode, because, you know, cruise control, the whole thing, you can't go forward on the throttle. There's nothing there. There's no play. So to disable the cruise, you got to hit the brake. Just touch the brake and it'll disable cruise. In the price category of $7,000, I mean, $7,199, that's brand new. It's a nasty bump. Got some good power. This bike is very comfortable. I mean, instead of having a clip-on, it's kind of a clip-on, but you do have a little bit of a rise. It puts you into a body position that's a little bit, just slightly more aggressive. The vibrations are mitigated. You know, there's not a lot of vibrations in the handlebars. These mirrors are not moving, which is really nice. There's a little bit of vibration in the pegs. It's being mitigated a little bit because they do have rubber inserts. So, but if you get a parallel twin, you expect vibration. It's when it gets excessive, I have a problem. I like the feel of the bike, the reaction that I'm getting from the bike. I feel all the imperfections in the road. Very tactile. It's very, very nice. There are faster motorcycles, without a doubt. I love the fact that this bike has self-canceling turn signals. I mean, I'm dead serious. I love that. You know, good luck finding any other manufacturer, any big four, in this price with self-canceling turn signals. Anyway, 3, 2, 1. Honestly, this bike is very enjoyable for the price. This has a nicer sound than the Z650. And, you know, the MT-07, it's right there. I mean, you know, I don't... God, self-canceling turn signal. I still... That's still amazing to me. I mean, self-canceling turn signals on a bike that's $7 grand. Yeah, unheard of. Good luck getting Kawasaki or Yamaha to do that. And give you cruise control and fully adjustable suspension and Brembo brakes and all that. It's just not going to happen. Up here. There you are. Easy neutral. Kickstand's right there, right where I want it. Ladies and gentlemen, 2023 CFMoto 700CL-X Sport. Again, full LED package. Harken on it again. Fully adjustable suspension. Brembo brakes. I mean, seriously, what? What? I mean, yeah. Now this thing is really fun. And for this money, you're not going to find a better bike. Honestly, you're not. It's just not going to happen. Not brand new. I mean, for this money, you can find a used bike that's more powerful, but then it's a used bike. I mean, you know, that can have its own trade-offs. But if you haven't tried one, I definitely highly suggest you try it. You know, if you're near Marengo, come up to Randy's Cycle. Man, I really liked it. It's a lot of fun. Alright, everybody, thanks for tuning in. And if you like this stuff, if you want to help us out at all, just hit that like, hit the subscribe button. We'd greatly appreciate it. I know I love conversing with everybody too. So if you have any questions, please reach out, man. I'd love to hear from everybody. You know, everybody, be safe. And as always, enjoy the ride.